Yeah, gondolas, they're much more difficult to ride than we think. And there was a guide telling us that these gondolas are made unbalanced on purpose, so to offset the gondolier's weight. So obviously these ladies have rented these gondoliers to practice or to just have fun. So right now we're on another island within the Venetian islands, because there's many islands here. And it's very different than what we call normal Venice, what people would think of as Venice. So I don't recall the island name, but it's really nice. It kind of reminds me a bit of Copenhagen, a part of Copenhagen. Very peaceful. Oh, there's this guy. Wow, this is cool. Yeah, and the boats, these gondoliers are only made in certain places, like. And the gondoliers you see in Venice itself, the main part of Venice, are all black. The bell tower. Oh, stop chiming.